Now can you hear me? Sorry about that. It was unplugged. Now I need to turn this all down a little bit. All good now? Can you hear me now? All right, good deal. All right, what is going on? So I want to look at Bitcoin. Do you guys, type 1 if you think 77 is going to hold here, type 2 if you don't. We could come back down and test this trend line here. Let me see something real quick. I am going to put a Fibonacci retracement. Don't forget to smash likes, guys. It is much appreciated. Yeah, we could come back down to the 76.50, 76.20 range before continuing up, possibly. Public Awakening says 3. I don't know. What's up, Little Miss Begster? We're headed for 8K tonight, says Little Miss Begster. I do think we are definitely going to at least test this $8,000 range. What I would like to see is us get support there. That would be beautiful. But I think, guys, with the CME, actually, if we get to 8,000, let me put this back on here. If we get to the 8,000, I would actually like to stay in this range until Monday. And then next week have a nice blast up, hopefully. Mr. Stacker said down, then up again. DJ Day 7480 is his support. What's that based off of? You going off the bottom of these candles over here? Let me get this off here so it cleans it up a little bit. I was talking to a friend earlier looking at this as, let me get into some thicker lines. This could be a rising wedge forming here, guys. Not the greatest thing ever. Let's see, move it up here. Actually, it looks like more like a channel. That could be a channel there or a rising wedge if I put it like this here. I would rather, either way, that can still break up, obviously, but looking at it now, you know, that could be bearish in the longer term, longer to midterm. Let me get that off there, though, for now. All right, now I'll get into the chat. If you guys are new here, definitely smash the likes. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Guys, if anybody in here, if you guys watch the morning videos, I do daily updates every single day for anybody that doesn't watch my channel. If you're in here, I do daily updates every single morning. I'm thinking about taking Ethereum off just because it's making the videos longer, and I'll let you guys kind of decide on that. But Mr. Crypto Chick 3, I be in gossip YouTube, so I can't be with my real job. Anyways, yeah, I'm thinking about doing it to get the video shorter. YouTube's doing something crazy. All the YouTubers, the crypto YouTubers anyway, we're getting way less views. A lot of people's notifications are getting turned off by YouTube. I have no idea what's going on, but it's kind of strange. Still tractorless. Low resolution. Can you turn it up on your settings? You should be able to turn it up on your settings. Mr. Stacker said I don't have ETH, so it's okay with me. It's blurry, huh? I don't know what the hell is going on. Let me... Yeah, it's giving me drop frames detected for some reason. I don't know what the hell is going on. Yeah, everything's been real. Tried, it kills it, Savy. I don't know what that was answering to. Crypto Ned, tried what? And it kills it. Henry said it looks good on his. Resolution is fine on your end. So some people are can see it and some people can't. Don't know what's going on. Let me turn mine up. Yeah, see, I just turned it up on my other screen and it's fine. I'm really orange. I have no idea. I did move the lights around a little bit. Maybe that's why. Maybe I have to readjust some color. Alright, everybody's good now. Nice. Did everybody have a good Thanksgiving? Anybody do any shopping today? I went shopping today. Anybody get any good deals? We got some good deals on crypto stuff. Nice. So, just real quick, guys, I'm going to remind you guys about my wife's webpage, inkyourimage.com. There's a link to it below in the description. All kinds of crypto gear. You can put anything you want. This helps support the channel. You can put family pictures, whatever you want on any of this stuff. Beer mugs, aluminum signs, hats, t-shirts. She also has other stuff in there. Some hoodies, keychains, some other stuff. Hit her up in the contact to ask her. She don't have it all listed here. Also, hardware wallets, guys. Keep your keys, your cryptos safe. Keep them off the exchanges. If you're not trading them, do not keep them on the exchanges. Exchanges get hacked all the time. People lose their cryptos. Get yourself a hard wallet. Today's the last day for the $30 off, or I'm sorry, 30% off Ledger. I have a link to Ledger down below in the video too. Definitely go get yourself a Ledger. Get your cryptos off the exchanges. There's also a ELLIPAL link down there. They're also having a Black Friday special, which ends today. Now's the time to get them, guys. You'll save a lot of money getting them now. Also, TradingView. If you guys are looking to do your own charts, that's the program I use. TradingView. They're having a 60% off today. And it's, you know, this will be the last day for it if you want to get the paid version. Yeah, I suggest today to get this stuff. If you're going to get into it, it's the cheapest you're going to get it. So I also have links to that below in the description. So anyways, done with that. I just wanted to announce that real quick. Make sure you smash the likes, guys. Just want to take a quick look at the Fear and Greed Index, which is still at 31 from this morning. It doesn't change for another 2.5 hours. We'll see what it goes to. But if you look at the headlines on Bitcoin, it's still Bitcoin faces biggest monthly drop of 2019. A new central bank crypto rival could end evil Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a clear long after forming textbook bottom. Whoa, there's some good sign. But yeah, news is kind of mixed now. There's a little bit of good news in there, but mostly bad news still, which is a good sign, I think. Let's go back over to the charts. I myself think 77 is going to hold to get us at least to that 88. Let's look at the daily RSI real quick. So the daily RSI is still looking good if you ask me. We're back above this channel. We'll have to see what we're forming here, but looking at the 4 hour looks like we have room to get up to that $8,000, possibly $8,200 range. I still have that $8,200 target there, and that is looking at this as a broadening wedge. Measured move off of that actually would be a little bit higher. Oh no, that would actually be 8120. Where did I have the 82 from? Oh, I see. That actually would get us all the way back up to, if we looked at this as a bull flag here, that would get us all the way back up to that $8,600 range, which is possible. If we do get up that high, we should get support from this 200 EMA on the 4 hour around the 8150. But I definitely think we got at least up to the 8,000 still to go, at the least. This could be turning around a lot bigger than people think, guys. The EMAs are looking really strong on the 4 hour. We've had the 8, the 13, and now the 21's looking to cross the 55, which is pretty damn bullish. So there was another scammer exposed, and actually I was in one of his groups before starting this group. He actually kicked me out of his group because I was saying he was full of shit and didn't know what he was doing. He was claiming affiliation with Ugly Old Goat, so I'm talking to Ugly Old Goat now. I think we're gonna have him on the channel and get some more exposure, let people know about the other scammer and to stay away from him. He pretty much did a exit scam on a bunch of people, so Golden Cross is going to happen also. Are you looking at regular moving averages or moving averages, Dursky or Dirksy? Look at the daily real quick. Scammers, spam them all. If anybody in here has been scammed or knows anybody that's been scammed by anybody or anything going on in crypto, get a hold of me in my email if you have any screenshots or anything as proof as to what went on. I'd like to start maybe once a week or so doing something on shitty people in the space, because there's tons of them. And right now, all YouTubers seem to be at each other's throats. It's pretty weird. When the price is doing crazy shit, people get crazy, I guess. Yeah, we need to keep the space clean. It's pretty damn hard, though. Too many damn greedy scammers out there. And I've had people, bitch about stuff lately. There's one particular YouTuber that is talking shit about people shilling Bybit. Guys, all we do is give away to provide it, and we get some kickback from it. YouTube doesn't pay anything. I mean, it's a way to get money without... We're not telling you to trade, making you trade on it. If you're going to trade, you're going to trade or try to trade, whatever. I do warn you guys about high leverage, whatnot. But you got them same people that are bitching about that do paid shit for shit coins and have been doing it for 2 years, telling people that these shit coins are great and they're doing nothing but losing money. That is bullshit. I got scammed about 42 years ago when I said I do. BA, I bought a ledger from your link. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. I really do. Florgon said, why do they call it a space? Because it's our space, man. DJ Day said 8K first target, 9K afterwards. Yeah, if we could get up to that 8K and then make support, preferably get up to that 85 or so and then come back down. Let the RSI reset, come back down to 8,000 and then continue up from there. That would be that'd be ideal. Why do people insist on using the term space when discussing cryptocurrency? It's what it is. It's our space. Savvy, what do you think about Hex? I don't know. I'm not claiming it. I know that. I'm not claiming Hex at all. I don't want no part of it. I don't want any part of anything that is trying to compete with Bitcoin. It will fail. You might be able to make some money off that Hex thing, but I think it's all a bunch of crap. You don't like the term crypto space. Why not, man? What's wrong with crypto space? How about crypto community? Does that sound better to you? Do you think we'll see 11K by the end of the year? Thanks. Earl Shipley. I think it's possible. Like I said, I've been talking about this on my updates. Let me go into the weekly. I believe we have to close this weekly above 7,900. And reason being, that is where the 55 EMA on the weekly is. And if you notice, we've closed this candle below it, opened this one below it. And every time we open and close a candle below it, it gets super bearish, guys. If you notice back here in... Well, every time, as long as we don't open and close a candle below it, like we opened and closed a candle here and got super bearish. That's why I've been saying 7,900. I really expect 7,900 to hold. If it doesn't, then I am going to go bearish. But as you can see, this candle closed below it. This candle opened below it, but closed above it. As long as we stay above that 55 EMA, I think we're in good shape. Let me... But yeah, I know a lot of people are using a lot of other indicators, talking about a lot of other stuff. That's my main focus right now, is closing above this 55 EMA on the weekly. Sounds like a bunch of pompous knobs sipping wine and one up at each other. Crypto community, blah. Yeah, Nevermore mentioned it needs to close above 7,900 as well. Yeah, that's my take on it. Like I said, I've been saying it, and I don't know, but I've been saying it. I think we're right about here in this same area, just like this. So what we should get is get above that 55, maybe get a little sideways action, and then break out of this flag. I still believe this is a bull flag here. Regardless what everybody else thinks, that is my opinion, and I am sticking to it. Actually, let me go over to this chart. Monthly. But yeah, I still believe that is a bull flag there. We're getting a nice wick on this monthly candle too. So something that scares me is the ABC correction theory. What do you think? 1K possible? Anything's possible, Adam, but I think that's extremely, extremely unlikely. But like I said, anything's possible. But yeah, that ABC theory is nah. I don't go for it. Like I said, if we close this week above the 7,900, I'm pretty confident that we'll remain bullish. If not straight up sideways, I don't see. And another thing I want to point out, closing above it doesn't mean necessarily that we're gonna. Whoops, I can't see it in this one. Doesn't mean necessarily that we're gonna shoot to the moon, guys. Let me actually. Yeah, let me go into the weekly here. And damn it, hold on a minute. Doesn't mean we necessarily shoot to the moon. Oh, where the hell is it? No. Okay, right here. As you can see, last time we rode this for, and this is the weekly, so we rode it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like 3 months we rode the 55 EMA. I'm not saying that's going to happen again, but it is a possibility. You know, a lot of people are calling for sideways forever. I don't know. I know when this trend line right here gets broke, I am going to be putting a huge long in above it and a stop loss just below it, and I think that is going to be a massive move. Dirksy said, Circle Guy has so many circles in his own head spins, hitting this one and that one. Like so many lines, sooner or later, he will hit one of the zillion he's got posted. Such a knob, Circle Boy. We're on a steady drop from 14K. We're on a steady correction from a massive move up is what we are. Can we retest 74? Yeah, we can retest 74. Let me go into the daily real quick. Whoops. I don't want to do it on there. I want to do it over here. Yeah, it's possible to go back down and test that 74, even lower. I mean, actually, we could go test the 0.618 again at 72.20, but I don't know. I think this 77 may hold here, guys. I really do. The EMAs are turning up in the daily, which is nice. Yeah, it's looking actually like it's turning around, guys. This weekly close will tell us a lot, I think. Circle Dude makes me dizzy. If 74 holds, I'll look for a 1, 2, 3 bottom formation. Possible. This is, like I said, this is still looking bullish unless this is forming a... Well, let's take a measured move. If this is a wedge here. I don't believe it is, but let's entertain the idea for a minute. And you could draw these trend lines in if you are, get this stuff out of the way, if you are charting, and keep an eye on it. But this is what I would look for if this is actually a wedge here, which again, I don't think it is, but it very well could be. And you would take a measured move off the lowest point of the wedge, and depending on where it breaks down or would break down, that would be all the way back down to the about the 68 to 6900 range. If that's a wedge. I don't believe it is. I know a lot of people have it drawn as a channel like this, which could be. But if we break this top line here, it's going to be pretty freaking bullish. If we do break that line, let's just entertain the thought that this is a channel here. If we were to break the line up here, say when we hit 8,000, if we break this top trend line, the target off that would be about 87.75, which is confluent with a lot of old support and resistance. So that's definitely a possibility we will be keeping in mind. Hey Savy, do you use the ELLIPAL Titan? Yes, I do. I do use the Titan. I use the Titan and the Ledger. Everyone watching should smash the like and buy a Bitcoin. Right on. Dirksy said, I'm buying that 6,900, loading the boat. Savvy, what's your thoughts on Plan B's stock to flow model? I mean, it's like anything else. It's another opinion. I mean, it's nothing's a guarantee, right? Everybody has their own way of viewing it stuff, and nobody's going to be right all the time. It's just not possible. Yeah, guys, join the Discord if you haven't already. Let me open it up real quick. This is our Discord group. There is always people in there to chat with. Great people. There's some guys that are trading in here that help other people out. Predator's one of them. There's a lot of different rooms in here. There's, you know, chart rooms where people post their charts, and it's a friendly chat. We're actually there to help people. People help each other out. They don't sit there, and a lot of these chats you go in, they have so-called like chart bullies, and they don't, you know, they make fun of people and try to, instead of trying to help them out. So definitely check it out if you haven't already. It's totally free. We don't, you know, there's no charge for anything. Everything's 100% free. Definitely check it out. And the way that keeps that free is you guys hitting the likes, leaving your comments on the video. I can't stress enough how much it helps when you guys, and I'm not talking about the live streams, but when you guys smash the likes and leave your comments on the daily update videos, the more comments and the more likes it gets, the more YouTube pushes it out. And for some reason, they are not pushing videos right now at all for people. Everybody in the crypto space's views are way down, like cut in half, if not worse. No bullies allowed, Shannon says. What's Litecoin up to? Litecoin is, everything's just following Bitcoin, man. Litecoin is looking like it is going to get stuck in between the 8 EMA and the 55 EMA right here. And what will most likely happen is it'll pop out of here. If we pop that 55 EMA there, we're probably looking at around the $50 range. But I do have the much higher targets up here that we discussed this morning. We're still looking good, still riding on that neckline right there. So, yeah. I don't mind bullies. I hate the crybabies. Scotty06. What would Jesus do? Nice TA Savvy. Looking longer term on the daily or weekly. Draw an uptrend line from February, April of this year till now. We wicked through it just recently, but now above it held support. A trend line from February, April of this year. Do it on the daily. Where are you talking about? Right here? I don't understand where he's talking about. Would it be this trend line here you're talking about? I kind of see what you're saying off these wicks here across. We got support on it here, and now we're back on top of it. Is that what you're talking about? Take it easy. Good night, man. Yeah, I see the trend line you're talking about. I think that's it. Is 18,700 end of year target realistic? I mean, it's possible. I don't think end of the year I don't think it's likely to happen the end of the year. I mean, that'd be one hell of a bull run. It's possible though. I mean, if you look at where we were, well, no. In December of 2017, we were already Where were we? Let me go over here. Where were we at in December? We were around 10,000 in December. No, actually we were right around 9,500 in December 2017. So it'd be one hell of a bull. Maybe the first quarter next year, if we do break the top of this bull flag, we could be looking at the 18.7 target. In your channel, the bull flag, is that a possible beginnings of an inverted head and shoulders halfway down? You talking about right here? I mean, it's possible. I think I see what you're talking about. You're talking about that as a neckline. And this. Something like that. It's definitely possible. Take the move off of it. The breakout here, what would that say? 13.6. YouTube blocking means it's going up. Probably. I don't know what the hell is going on with it, but everybody's getting screwed on YouTube. I mean, with views. John, I mean, I was getting, 4,000 to 5,000 views. It dropped down to like 2,500. Now it's like down to like 1,500 to 2,000. I mean, it's getting worse and worse by the day. It's horrible. Ever since they started that new child thing that they do with the YouTubers, that's when it all started. I've been talking to other YouTubers, and it's the same all around. Everybody's getting the same thing. I would use the past, use the now to judge the price. I wouldn't use the past, use the now to judge the price. It has a personality. Charts have an actual personality, man. What'd Sandman say? I didn't even get to see what he said. What was he talking about? Sorry, guys. Trying to go back in the chat a little bit. I missed something. Joel Beckham, thanks for the tip, brother. Much appreciated. I really do appreciate the tips, guys, especially with getting 0 views anymore. That's killing the YouTubers. Damn, R. Kelly broke YouTube, right? Yeah, ever since I did that child thing, man, something weird's going on with YouTube. And it seems like it's worse in the crypto YouTube. What's up, Jeff Long from California? How the hell are you? Let me get this off of here. Ethereum's still the same. Ethereum's dropping. Looks like Ethereum might be going down a little bit. Just mentioned that Bitcoin starts to move and makes moves at 3 a.m. Yeah, it's always been like that. It's not been like that as often lately, but yeah, it does happen. Them 3 in the morning moves. It's nice when you wake up and the green candle goes through your phone. It always sucks when you wake up and the red candle goes through your phone. Tony Joseph. LTC shitcoin going for 48 bucks. Yep, looks like Charlie Lee was smart to pack up. For going for 48 bucks. Let's see. That's double what the low was. It's more than double, so it's still up over 100% this year. Actually pretty good if you ask me. Doing a lot better than all the other shitcoins. Awesome. Smoking and enjoying your videos as always. Hodl. All right, Jeff. If you expand that last timeline you had, shows Empire State Building. I don't know what you're talking about, the last timeline. Joshua James, thanks, brother. Henry, asking about Litecoin. Still the same as this morning. Nothing's changed. Still the same. Battling with the 55 EMA. I think we'll get a nice push up here soon. No, I'm not smoking ganja. The 4 hour? I am in the 4 hour. Oh, you're saying that looks like the Empire State Building? Gotcha. Yeah, my pleasure, man. I appreciate that people appreciate it. How can I find the EMAs on TradingView? You go up to the indicators and you go to moving averages and you'll see the moving averages right here, and then go to moving average exponential. That's the EMAs. And you just click on it and it'll put the line up there. Let's see. It'll put it up there, and then you put in the length here. I myself use the 8, the 13, the 21, the 55, and the 200. You can use, whatever you're learning or what works for you, but that is what I use. Yeah. No, the inverted head and shoulders on the 4 hour. Oh, I see what you're saying. I gotcha. I gotcha. I'm feeling bearish. Hopefully that will push price up. The more people that feel bearish, the better. What's up, Cutie for Blockchain? How are ya? No problem, Fethy. Yeah, all the indicators are up in there, but yeah, I like the exponentials because it's more reactive to the more immediate price. It's more touchy than a regular simple moving average. I'm good. So did anybody take advantage of the Black Friday deals on the hard wallets or TradingView or any of that stuff? Andre, thanks for the tip, man, and no problem. I'm glad you enjoy it. It gets kind of daunting, especially with lately, with the views going down and stuff, after working so hard to build a channel. Pepe Chewy Learning, thank you for your videos. You're very welcome. So anyways, yeah. That 7,700 is right around the 13 EMA right now. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, if you guys could, I'd appreciate it if you'd share the videos. If you watch them in the morning, do something. We got to try to get this stuff going again since YouTube's screwing everyone up. Sandman, thanks for the tip, man. Sandman says, thank for everything, brother. Everyone join the Discord. Yeah, check the Discord out, man. It's a good community. Everybody can help each other out. It helps to have a lot of different point of views, man. Because nobody's right all the time. Joshua James said the same thing. Joel Beckham said, I got NordVPN as an early Christmas present for myself. Yeah, I think everybody should be using a VPN. If you're on the internet and you don't have a VPN, that's crazy. Philip Burns said no, but taking advantage of the Black Friday sale on Bitcoin. Right on, man. Scotty, 50 EMA about to cross the 100 EMA on the weekly. Thoughts? Seems like a bullish sign. It could be. I don't pay attention to the simple moving averages. Like I said, I only use exponential moving averages in crypto. But yeah, on the weekly right now, 55 EMA is our resistance. That's the big thing. These are still turning down. All it's going to take is a nice shot up to turn these around, though. So look at the monthly. The monthly now, we are getting support on the 13 EMA on the monthly. We wicked all the way down here, but now we seem to be that 7700s. Actually, about 77. Yeah, about 7730 is the 13 EMA on the monthly. So yeah, this area is of serious importance, guys. I would not be a happy camper if we close below this 55. We need to close above 79 for me to remain bullish. CryptoNad, damn. Hell of a tip, brother. Much appreciated. And you didn't even ask a question or nothing? What the hell? Sandman said, I swear crazy shit happens to me all the time. Passing out. Yes, thanks for the support, everyone. I appreciate it. And guys, everything helps the channel. I mean, as simple as hitting the like button, leaving a comment on the video. I don't care if you just want to tell me your dog's name, whatever it is. Just on the morning update videos I'm talking about, like I said, not chat. And CryptoNad, thanks again, man. I do really appreciate that. You don't owe me nothing. Nobody owes me nothing, man. Hell of a tip, brother. You guys rock. The Discord community too. I don't know. I don't know if everybody in here is in it, but if you're not, definitely check it out. It has grown into a hell of a community, and like I said, there's always people in there. His question was, do you want $50? Hell yeah, I'll take $50. Yeah, that's pretty much everything's relying on that 55 EMA on the weekly, guys, for me. I know a lot of other people, I've heard people say 76, 74, some, a bunch of different. But that's the big thing for me. Getting back above that. So anyways, my wife went shopping, so I decided to do this. Oh yeah, another thing I wanted to point out. If you look at the volume right here, guys, it's declining in this formation. Seeing a nice green wick come up from here, a nice green volume candle would be ideal. Do you think the halving is priced in? No, I don't. I've heard people say that. I do not. Crypto Keys said buy Litecoin with that, not financial advice. Bitcoin, 14K after halving, just count on it. I think it'll be a lot higher than 14K. Miners have less to sell. Yeah, they'll be flooding the market with less Bitcoin. Glad she's shopping, bro. Nice to have you with us. Yeah, she should be back by now. She already went once today. She came home, took a nap, and went back out. Stop with that. Everyone says that with volume, and we dump. Damn, hate the volume things. I say green volume, not red volume. Volume can go either way. Half as much, twice the price. Right on. Yeah, I'm curious to see I think if we can close above this 55 EMA, like I said, that doesn't mean we don't come back down. I just don't want to see a weekly candle open and close under that. But I do believe if we can break this top trend line here, the top of this flag here, it is going to be, and where's that at right now? That is about, it's going to be around the 9,500 range. If we don't get over 7,900 by the end of today or tomorrow, you are bearish. Am I right? Philip, it's Sunday night. And yeah, I'm going to be looking bearish if we don't close above the 7,900 Sunday night. The weekly candle. Andre said, sounds like my wife. Got to get them deals, right? I went for a little while today. I'm not too much of a shopper. I did see a Bitcoin ATM, though, in our mall. That was pretty sweet. Love the channel. Thanks for the hard work. Thank you, Beavis. I appreciate the support. John Smith, where's the next resistance if Bitcoin breaks 79? 8,000, and then again here about between 85 and 86. Probably about 85, right around 85.50. But 8,000 will be the next resistance there, and then about 85.50. Just need to see some on a monthly scale, which will come in handy during the first quarter 2020, right? Top trend line time. What do you mean top trend line time? Oh, top trend line time. Scotty has a Bitcoin ATM in your mall too? Yeah, that was the first time I noticed it in my eyes. I don't know if it's been there a while and I haven't noticed because I don't go to the mall much. Or they just put it in there. Hey Savy, some of those Bitcoin ATMs have Nick's name on it. No shit? I should have checked that one out. I took a picture of it and threw it in the Discord today. Prices on Bitcoin ATMs are crazy high. Yeah, it's like, yeah, I don't even know. I've heard from 5 to 10% or some crazy crap. Predator, what's up, brother? Thanks, man. Predator says smash the likes. Yeah, I didn't even look. I showed my buddy it and I told him he needs to buy some Bitcoin, but yeah, I didn't even really look at the details on it or nothing. Philip said, caught the wife trying to sneak in pink pillows for the bedroom. Yikes. What's up, Anonymous? Simon, newcomer to crypto. This channel's awesome. Thanks, man. Join our Discord. There's a link to it below. Totally free. Doesn't cost you anything. Crypto Chico says, suck it. He's got an extra chromosome, man. Look at him. Him and his reading his freaking shit other people write and shilling the same shit coins forever that do nothing. What's up, Paul Bear? How you doing, man? What time is it? Whoops. Not mean to do that. Chico douche canoe. Regarding the deals, I got Black Friday special Trading View Pro Plus for $180 this year. Nice. Chico called all your channels out hacking Bybit. At least we don't get paid by shit coins to talk about them all the time. And, you know, just, he's got people buying shit coins. He's a shit coin. He acts like he's so smart, too. He reads all that shit off of I can't even think of what the fuck they're called. Same thing like news channels use. Somebody else writes the shit. He just gets paid. He's a face. Dude's got issues, man. On these Bybit suckers, Chico is a shitcoin shiller. He's a shitcoin shiller. That's all he does is shill shitcoins. He don't even understand the projects. He can't pronounce half the words. God, wake up. Chico would beat Orange Teletubby in a fight. I doubt it. Teleprompter, that's what it is. Yeah, the dude's just a face, man. That seems to have an extra chromosome. I believe that they are referred to as talking heads. Pretty much, man. Superman was a shitcoin shiller too. Now look at him. All them shitcoins did nothing for him. And Bybit shiller. That's funny. Yeah, I mean, he literally just gets paid to shill shitcoins. That's his whole life. And Bybit doesn't pay me to shill it. I offer it. They give me a link. I give it to you guys. I make some commission off the link. It is what it is. I'm not telling you to trade. And I do tell everybody to practice trading on a fake account first. Thanks, Paul Bear. Thanks for the tip, brother. Much appreciated. Ricky T. Miller, I just sent you 500 in my mind. Sweet. What's up, Tim J? Yeah, as a matter of fact, I think Chico is shilling a gambling site now, and I'm pretty sure that that's against the YouTube community rules. So he might want to watch out for that one. He's shilling a sports gambling site and bitching at everybody else for everything. Come on, man. I've told nobody to get Bybit. I just said I offer the link, and if you want to use it, have at it. Be careful. Don't over leverage, and don't put in more than you're willing to lose, and you'll be fine. Period. I'm not telling you, buy this shitcoin, because I think it might be something someday, because somebody told me it might. Savy, can you explain to the tubers how the Bitcoin price is calculated, which exchanges, etc.? I also think terms such as nodes, whales, bullish and bearish, hash rate, etc. would be helpful to learn. Yeah, I mean, I could definitely make some videos. I've been talking about that, making some videos, for people just getting into it, how to get into it, the easiest ways, and then kind of leading on into other videos and learning more about it, because I'm not super tech savvy. I don't understand every detail of how it works and whatnot myself, so I would be learning also. Basically, I understand Bitcoin, what it's for, what it was made for, and I believe in it 100%. Chico is reporting all Bybit shillers now. For what? For sharing a link? He's getting reported for shilling all his gambling thing now that he's shilling. We seen what happened to, I forget, crypto Bitcoin Chris or whatever, Bitcoin whatever guy got his channel shut down for gambling sites. Education is super key, bro. I need plenty. Yeah, education is key. The more you learn, the better. Chico, Southside player. Chico always mentions you and Zombie a lot now in every video. That dude's a weird freak. Weird freak. He done way too many drugs, man. Like I said, if you look at him close, type in on Google people with extra chromosomes and then take a good look at him. Crypto Revolution now. Yeah, that's who got busted for it last time. They shut his channel down because of a gambling site. Crypto Key said, I believe price is calculated by market cap divided by circulating supply. Yeah, that's right. Like, the market cap isn't really what's in the market. If all the Bitcoin sold, they would, the price would keep going down. It wouldn't equal the whole market cap. That's if every coin in the market sold for the current price, that's what the market cap is. Join the Discord, Andre, and me, I will explain. Yeah, Predator, he's my information guy, man. He's a smart dude. He helps everybody out. He can answer about any damn thing you have a question about, and if he can't, he'll figure it out for you. Can you put the chart on a lower time frame so we can watch the price with the chat? I can do that. You want it on 1 hour, 15 minute? Where do you want it? There we go, 15 minute. In the 15 minute, it's below the EMAs here. Now we got to look for support on the 55 in the 15 minute, which would be 77.20. Chico's name is now officially Uncle Jerry. Lots of info in the Discord, guys. Yeah, like I said, definitely join the Discord. Tim J. Chico Crypto is a fluky. The funny thing is, Chico obviously watches us to talk shit about us. Andreas Antonopoulos also has good videos explaining nodes, hash rate, etc. Yeah, as long as I've been in the space, I've watched only a couple of his videos. I'm still Google people with extra chromosomes. Why is 7,900 important? Because it's a 55 EMA in the weekly, and every time we open and close a candle below the 55 EMA in the weekly. Yeah, I saw Ugly Goat's video, Edward, and funny thing is, I was talking to Ugly Old Goat a little while ago, and I tried warning him about that, and then yeah, he didn't listen, but he did thank me for trying to warn him that the dude was a scammer. Antonopoulos is Satoshi. Some funny t-shirts on Google. My extra chromosomes make me extra cute. Is the Discord mainly American, or is there's people from all time zones, Philip? There's always people in there. So there's people from all around the world all the time. Did you talk to him face to face? No, I've been talking to him on Twitter. I actually started talking to him a few months ago, just warning him about that dude. And yeah, he thanked me today, but he didn't believe me when I was telling him that a few months ago. But he was cool about it. He's actually going to come on my show, Edward. We're going to do a show about it. Slanted head and shoulders RSI 1 hour. Let's see. No, I don't think so. There's no neckline that touches everything. Well, I guess you could. That's a hell of a slant though. It would be right here. That would put the break up around 8,000. Let's see if that goes to the same target I was talking about earlier. Close to it, 84. Yeah, it'd be nice if we see this trend line here break. Let me get this one out of the way. Yeah, if we see this trend line here break, that would be pretty damn powerful. Sounds like maybe he should suck it. Uncle Jerry looks like a bum. Is there any gap to be filled under 3? Yeah, there is a gap at like $12. I think I still have it on here. Let's go to, I don't know if I have it on this chart. I don't remember which chart I had it on. Let me go to the daily. I think we can see it. Should be right around $12 range. I think it's like $12.50 or something like that. It's right in this area, I do believe. And maybe it's not on this chart. I thought there was a gap in here. It might have been on the... Oh, this is the Brave New Coin Index. I think it was on the Bitfinex. Or one of those. Hold on, let me see. Which one was it on? COINBASE, Bybit. I think it might be on the Bitfinex chart, maybe. Or no, Bitstamp, that's where it is. I think it might still even be circled down there, I ain't sure. Get down to the $12 range. Yeah, it's still circled there. There's a gap right there on the daily chart. It's right in between 1259 and 1263. Can you see the gap there? I'll move that so you can see it. Right there. $12. We gotta go fill that gap. Sandman said fuck the gap, not interested. I'm buying 100 Bitcoin when the gap fills. For someone who mainly dollar cost averages your Discord value to me as I don't trade. Yeah, man, for sure. Check it out. Like I said, it's totally free. If you don't like it, just you don't have to stick around. That's when Chico bought it. 12 Bitcoin depresses me. Wouldn't that be the shit, right? All the way down, a super wick in one day, all the way down to fill this $12 gap and then shoot back up. What time is that? I just heard the wife just got home, so I'm probably gonna get off here, guys. Oh, where are we at? Still at 77.40 range. We got, in the 1 hour, we got a nice bounce off the 13 EMA there. More than just trading in the Discord family and crypto. Right on. Chico shorted $12. I'm sure he'll be talking shit about me again tomorrow. Let me know so I can check it out if you guys see anything. But anyways, I'm going to head out, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to check out the Black Friday specials down below. The link's down below. InkYourImage.com. There's no special there. That's my wife's page, but check it out. Ledger, 30% off. And this last day is today, guys. ELLIPAL, also hard wallets, Black Friday special. TradingView, 60% off if you buy the pro version. I think you get an extra $30 too, or something like that. I'm not sure. But yeah, also there's Bybit link down below. Chico, there's a Bybit link down below. You get a $60 bonus if you sign up using my link. There's also a Prime XBT link down there. You get a 35% bonus if you sign up. So if you was to deposit $1,000, they'll put an extra $350 in your account to trade with. Thanks for stopping in, guys. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I do daily updates every single day. Thanks for your support, guys. Remember, if you watch my videos in the morning, please like and leave a comment. It really helps the channel out, and I really appreciate it since YouTube is screwing everybody right now. Thanks a lot, and I am out of here, guys.